Oh no, the buell done lost her nose. My ignition took a dump. So I bought that super cheap one off Amazon for 30 bucks. And then I spliced all the wires. And ran it all back in there to that plug. And I think I should have swapped the gray and black. Pretty sure. But now it's all soldered and heat shrink together, and I'm not taking it back apart. So instead of like your first click being the gauges and dash lights, now it just goes straight to ignition. Ready to rock. And then for some reason, light is the odometer and stuff. So I guess just make sure you turn it all the way, or it's probably not going to count miles. That fires right up.